Hey everyone, God has put on my heart to make some short videos. It's just an easy way for me to share some kid-friendly thoughts about freedom during this time that we're having this series of freedom lessons. And so I made my first video, and as I watched it I thought, oh, it's a bit too long and I don't look quite excited enough. I kind of thought maybe I should reword some things, and I felt the urge to redo it, and then I felt God nudge me and say, you know, this isn't about you. Really isn't about perfections. The whole point of this is just to ignite conversations between parents and children, grandparents and grandchildren, teachers and their students in our classrooms. Because I know that sometimes talking about spiritual things in particular can sometimes be awkward to start. And so if watching the videos helps stimulate conversations, then I'm happy to be your awkward. And to get past that part, and maybe after watching it, that will just provide that catalyst for just really great conversations about freedom. And we're just hoping and praying that during this time we're all going to really seek more of God's freedom, and that He'll just increase that among our families and amongst the church. So, and maybe along the way my videos will get better too. We can always pray for that. So just wanted to let you know about these videos and how you could use them. Thanks everybody.